Okay, so today we create this type of model. Okay, to create this type of model, we open the FreeCAD software and go to the part design and create a new sketch. Okay, this model. Okay, so we select this one, XZ plane. This is the front view. Okay, and at first we create the base part of this model, and we say create sketch, just this type, and these 2 point, that same point. Now this 2 point is symmetric. We need to delete the constant at 1. Delete that, and this 2 point, this one and this one are symmetric also. We need to delete the constant at 3. Okay, we delete that also, and this value is 60 and this value is 10. Okay, we put that this value is 40. Oh, sorry, this value is 60, right? So we click it, double click, and put 60 here, and this vertical value is 10. Okay, and angle between these two lines is, so you can see here, this is 45 degree. Okay, so we put here 45 and okay. So now you can see 1 degree of freedom here, and we create this one. Okay, because all other dimensions are put in the upper portion. Okay, so we put the padding here 100 and create a symmetric to plane. Okay, this is the 100, and now we create this second part. Select the YZ plane, click here right portion and YZ plane. Okay, and click here OK. Now sketch, to sketch we select the polyline. Okay, this type of sketch you need to require to draw that. Okay, so this point, this line and this point are symmetric. We need to delete the concentrate 1. Now we put all values. Okay, so this value, this line is 50, this one is 20, and this one is 100. Okay, so we put this one is 50, this one is 20, and this one is 100, and this value is 70. Okay, you can check from picture, this value will be 70. Now you can see there is 1 degree of freedom. Okay, you select this line, this point and this line, and create this one. Okay, so you can see this sketch is fully concentrated. You close this one, go isometric view, and put here this padding. Okay, now the padding is 40. Put here 40 and check the symmetric to plane. Okay, and click here. Okay, now see this type of, now select this circle. Okay, to create the circle we select the YZ plane again, and this one, click, you select the arc and draw a arc, and select the line and draw a line. Okay, now this point and this point are same point, and these 2 points are also the same, and this point is on the this line. Okay, So put that. Now this radius of this is 20. Okay, the radius you can see from the picture. Now you can see this 2 degree of freedom. Okay, now this one, this port is here. Okay, so this distance, this is 400 and this one is 50. Okay, because we create the symmetric to plane, so this one is 50 and this one is for 20 20 40. Okay, so from this point to this line the distance is 10 obviously, so put that. And in the PDF we can see these two distance is 50. You can create this also with help of edge link. Now create a pad and put the value of pad is 20 and check the symmetric to plane. Now create here. Okay, now also this one select YZ plane and we hit the pocket. Okay, to create that part we draw two circle and the radius of the two circle is same. Now the radius put here, the radius of this circle is 10. Now difference between two horizontal distance, so this is 30. You can check the PDF or picture what it is. Now from this point and this point the vertical distance is 50. Now from this point and this point this horizontal distance is 0 obviously, and put it here. And okay, you can see here this is 1 degree of freedom. Okay, now this point is obviously in this line. Okay, why I can say after some time. So you can see this picture, this distance is 30 and this is 10 and this distance, so total is 50. Okay, so obviously this center point of this line on this line, sorry, so I put it here, this one. Okay, we close this part. You can see this type of sketch and create here pocket and put here through all the dimension. Okay, let's see up and put here symmetric to plane, so you can see this type of wave. Okay, to create this pocket, now we select the sketch and select your exit plane. You can select it and draw it. Okay, and but we cannot do this. Okay, so we need to close this one and delete the sketch 4. Now we select this part. Okay, so select this one and create sketch. Now you can do this type of sketch. Okay, but I am yet not that part. Okay, I'm just shown here. You can do is this format. Okay, and select a rectangle and put here, and these 2 points are same, these 2 points are also the same, and this point is on this line. Okay, and you can put this type of view. So this type of view you can put. Okay, you need to that part. Okay, but I'm not doing this, so I delete this sketch. Okay, and I select this one and put it horizontal, sorry, vertically. Now this radius of this one is R10. Okay, so this one is R10, put it here, and this length is horizontal, sorry, vertically, and this one is 30. Okay, you can see this one is 20 and this one is 50, so this one is 30. So you put 31 here. Sometimes it look like a, you put, if you put 30 here, sometimes it create a line. So this difference is horizontal difference is 20. Okay, and we put this one in on this x line. Okay, you can see this axis line. Okay, so put this. Okay, so select this one, this point, and this line, axis line on this. Okay, so close this one and create a pocket and put the pocket width. This one is 100 and this one is 70, so this difference is 30 obviously, so we put here 30. If do symmetric to plane or reverse, so it like this, so there here is 2 is unchecked. Okay, this type of you can see. Thanks for watching my video.